Trick or treat. Should we go inside? Hell yeah. Where are those sounds coming from? A vampire. Wait. Mr. Python?
Ha! Gotcha. I knew you were curious. And that's Eva. Also thanks to my assistant, Curie. She was behind the sounds coming from this speaker. Is there something wrong?
I was just wondering, why did we hear the sounds even though we couldn't see them? How did sound travel to us?
Now that is a wonderful question. And to answer this, we need some science, especially physics. Sound waves travel by vibrating the particles near its origin in all directions. Sound vibrates these particles as a longitudinal wave. Longitudinal waves vibrate in the direction of the wave. Imagine it like a slinky, and you push one side towards the other, making a ripple effect. That's how sound travels. Sound energy is measured in constant in air at around 340 meters per second or 767 miles per hour. However, the speed may slow down when traveling through denser materials. That's why you can't hear things as good in water compared to air, because sound has been slowed. Remember, sound is an energy, meaning it can't be destroyed or created. It can only transfer from one energy to another. Imagine a car with kinetic energy acting on it when it's moving. Then that car stops, and all that movement energy is converted to potential energy when the car is still, heat energy when the friction between the tires warm the particles around, and sound energy when the wheels screech on the road. And now you know.